Okay, this is the landed page called the home page. Here we can log in to the dashboard using admin default password. When I say default password, it means that it can be changed. So once you log into the admin page, you can change your password. So for now, we call it admin default password, but it can be changed to the one you want. So we use admin, and then here we use admin 123. Okay, we use admin. Here we call it admin 123. So the password must be correct. If you admin 123, it must be correct, please. 123, admin 123. Why the username is admin at campus.local. Okay, so it must be correct. If it's not correct, you not okay. So now once it's log in to the environment, as I said earlier, you can change the password from here. Go to setting. You can change. You can also do what is called bulk. You can delete all. You can accept admin username and password. You can update your username and password, the one that you want automatically. Okay. Let's assume I change this one to apart from using this one, I want to change it to the one I want as my own paste. I can change it. Okay. So let's give it a try so that let's say I'm just saying it. Let's say I give this one NHS 123 NHS 123 at let's put at there at gmail.com or at you can say at or at campus at local, make sure you remember it, local.com. Okay, the password can say it NHS or B, you anyone you want, you can say NHS123. NHS, look at it very well. I didn't on the capital of NHS123. Then type it again. NHS123. Okay, 123. So now, after that one, you now update it. So once you update automatically, you can see that already update. So you can, if you want to log in now, you can log in with this NHS123 and it will log in for you. So if you log out by default now, let's say you log out now. So if you enter the other one that's in this local, it will not go again because it has been changed. Admin 123, it will not go again. But if you log in with this, the one we have now, NHS local, this one, and the password is NHS123. If you go to log into the dashboard, you can see it happening. So that is how it goes. So this activity, all these activities, I can also delete it if you want to delete it. It can be deleted if you want to delete it. Okay, bulk delete. Time you can use bulk to delete it. Okay, so usually admin can do that. So now let's go to how we can now onboarding the courses or register the courses. We start from register courses first. We click on these registration courses. So you can register manually or register by bulk, either manually or bulk. So come here and pick this. That is one. You can write this course here. You can change the department, let's say information or computer science or anyone you want to put there. You can change this course title, maybe machine learning is the course title. Okay, then level can still be 200 level and 120 this course. Still the section, let this one, maybe semester. Let the name of the lecturer name, let's say the proof origin, let's say email, this email, and let's say password 12345 6. Okay, This one is just to onboard the courses and lecturers before you can assign student to it, or the student can be allocated to the courses. So now click save. So when it's save and login, so this you can also use, you can use the same thing to log with password. Once this has been done, you can see it here. You can see it automatically. So this is the lecturers and the courses that was on board or register. You can see it. So now from here, we can also go by bulk upload as well. So we can upload this bulk upload. So let's say we have, let's select this one as a bulk upload. You can select this course. Let's say take this one for the first one. Let's pick this one first. Second one can pick this one also. We can pick them. We can pick all these. You can pick all of them. So let's say we pick this one first. Okay. So this first one, we will upload it. We set it to this and to this. Then we upload. So automatically it's going to upload. You can see it. You can see the way it's uploaded. Let's try another one again. Maybe probably this one again. I'll select the second one. You can also go on, and the same for semester. You can also upload as well. See it here. You can also upload it automatically at the top here. You can see it. Okay. These are the courses uploading. These are the courses. You can also go again with the third, the last one. This one here. We can also do the same thing again for accounting and auditing. So you can come here and the first semester and upload as well. So automatically you can see them. So we have uploaded the courses successfully. All the courses. You can put all of them together and also upload once. If you don't want to do it manually, you can put all the courses together and upload once. So it will go. So after uploading the course, then the next thing is to go by students. You also register student. Here you can register student either manual or do bulk upload. Okay, also do what's called bulk upload. So if you don't want to register the manual, you want to upload it once, you can do it. It's allowed. There's room for that. Okay, so let's do let upload it by using these manage students. So under this students uploading, so once we upload, you can now see the students on the table here, but not student for now. So now when we now come to upload students, we can select the file. Then you can pick any of these students, anyone, and pick it. So let's upload this one. So the first one upload, you can see the students are just test. We are just testing the purpose. So you can see it with the course, okay, and you can see the course already automatically. So you can also try the second one again. Uploading again, you can come here, let this one as well, and then upload the student as well. Click upload, automatically it's also upload as well. You can see that we have about 21 students here uploaded as well. You can see it's okay. So that one has done. So now is after this, I can now go and set exam. Set exam with this one. You can set exam and see how the student can take exam. Okay, so we'll go to set exam. Here we have two ways of setting exam, either by single or by bulk. You can upload single or by bulk. So let's go by bulk upload. Come here. So we can set our time, maybe 10 minutes. Maybe this one also. How many questions? Let's say 10 questions. Okay. So we'll look at the course we are going to object. Let's say we don't select objective for now. So look at the course we are going to set example and pick the one you want, the one that have the questions already available. You select those one, and then those one that no question area, so hold on. Those one have the question, you select them. Okay, so that is how we are going to do. So now let's say we have question for some of this. Let's say I want to pick this one. That is number one. And I want to pick artificial intelligence, COC, this one. I pick these two for now. Then I can set, if I want to use time, this time for, I can set this time for because maybe probably these courses may appear, they don't need to appear at the same time because the student are taking these courses, also they also take the same courses, the same students in the same level with the different course code. Okay, so we can now come here and say select individual time. So when we select individual time, we can come here and say, okay, this one is here. So today is 7, right? Leave is 7, 8, then we select the time. Let's say exam starts by 8 p.m. You can see it will start by 8, that is 8:08. Okay, 8:08. This is 8:05 now. That is in 30 minutes time. So now see this one to end at 8, maybe to add at 8:20. Okay, same time. Then the second one here, let's say we should start by 9. Start by um, maybe 8:30. Let's say 8:30 or 8 yeah, let's say 8:30 or 8:25. We can say 8:25 or 8:30. Let's say 8:20, 8:28, and then end like 8 let's say end like 8:39 or 8:40. So set different time slots for each of the questions. Okay, so once you set that, the next thing we're going to do, we already selected two questions selected. Again, you can now write little things that maybe first semester, first semester, first semester exam. Okay, exam. So then you can now create a bulk exam. So now click create a bulk exam. So now click here. So when you click a bulk exam, the two exam have been created with no error. So now we will now have to now upload the questions that are meant for this two exam. So select it. So you can go for exam. So exam here. So in this folder I have exam. So exam. So in exam we can, let's say we select objective. Objective will have this. So pick this one. Okay, so when we pick this one, we will now upload. Okay, so when we upload, automatically we have uploaded it. Then we can now say next. Okay, or you check what you have. Look at the question that's already uploaded. Okay, so you will now click next. So when you click next, take you back to here. They go down, you can see the two questions appear here. The first one and the second one. Yeah, at this point now, if you want to start with the one that I have, start with 8. Start with 8. This one start with what? That is 8:08 to and end 8:20. It's already 8:08 already. So this way they can log in and write exam now. Then you publish this exam, publish it. Then come here again. You save it. You want to save it inside the drive here. It can now publish it. I can go for final. So final stage now you now publish it like this. So you are going to the page. So then see the student log in. So they will log in to the dashboard. To your own dashboard, you can write the exam. So let's go to the student page. Log out first. So we use this one, these students here to test. Then you can, if you have the same username and password, and then log in. So when the student log into his page, two exam allocated for him. You can see it. Okay, so you can see that this exam is already starts already. Okay, so now since already start, we can now go to available exam. This one is sharp waiting, and this one already starts. So we can click start exam. You can click what start exam. So allow this time full screen, continue in secure full screen, then return to full screen. So now we are now here now. Okay, so we all have 9 minutes to complete the exam. So we can write the exam now. So what does database, this one stand for database management system? You can say database management system. Okay, then SQL and SQL. No, I am saying something now. It's calculated. You hearing me? Proctoring is already take action already because talking and noise is also part of the proctoring valuations. Okay, so I'm not able to talk when I'm writing the exam, but what I'm doing now, but I didn't test to test actually if actually what we are doing here is actually catching it or also it's taking note of that. So here I can say that a collection of the releases I can say table. Okay, so which of these is used for shift data access select? Okay, what is the primary key? What is the primary key sample? A field that uniquely identify this. Okay, what is the SQL statement you use to add new record? You can see the stats. Okay, so which normal these elements you can see first normal. Okay, a foreign key is used to establish this and that. Which SQL command remove a table permanently? You can say drop. Which database model organize data in a table? You can say relational model. So you cannot submit. And at this point, you can submit the exam, but because I have been talking since, it's going to be calculated all the noise and what I'm saying, it's going to calculate it. So well, we are not supposed to talk when I'm writing this exam. So now when I submit now, she's capturing the final evidence because I was talking when I was writing the exam. Okay, so now it's calculating those things and submit. So now I submitted now, and when it's submitted, I can see that unavailable exam. So I can write it again, but this one is not yet started. So now I can log in out. Let me log out now. So let me log out. Okay. So when log out, as I'm log out here. So when I log out, I log in as admin again. Admin as NSS. Okay, NSS 123. Okay, so this is the platform. Already by default, you can see the evidence of the proctoring. You can see the evidence of proctoring. You can see is by department. The evaluation is already started already. Let's say I don't know the department I write example now, but I know how to check either data science. I will know. Okay, or information technology. I will know computing, data science. Okay, so now let's go to the proctoring review and see what is going to happen there. For proctoring review, come here. You see they have about 8 flags. So let's open it. You can see you see the noise just the 2 minutes more. There is a level of variation already. If you can see that you see that talking strong sound, talking, and actually it's correct when I was talking, and then I was writing it, and you can check the graph here. The majorly is on talking, so that is why it's measuring that. Any other thing is any action is not of this yet. So if you want to also check, um, let's check the evidence of the picture and the video. You can see the picture here. You can see the picture here. Let's check the video. Let's see the video is talking. Let's play the video now. She's capturing the final evidence because I was talking when I was writing. Okay. At this point, you can submit the exam, but because I have been talking since, it's going to be calculated all the so which normal this element is there. You can say first normal. Okay. So here I can say a collection of the lists is I can say table. Okay. SQL. Can SQL. No, I can say something that is calculated. Hearing me. Okay. Then return to full screen. So now we are not here now. Okay. So we don't have 9. So you can see then you can also hear the audio as well. Okay, so now it's calculating those things. So here I can say a collection of the lists is I can say table. Okay. At this point you can submit the exam, but because I have been talking since, it's going to be calculated all the. That is how it works. So you can see the flow from the starting to this point, and everything is all recorded. So the graph of about 300 level and 100 level, and that's why I show you the academic level we have here that will register. So then proctoring, computer science is what is measuring now. The department that writes exams, the computer science. So if you want to download the results, you can view the grading. You can view the grade from here. You can view the grade from here. So this exam has scored 18 over 20. So I have 18 over 20. So okay, so you can check the grade. You can also go and download the results. This is the results here. You can download the results and then you can have the result downloaded okay, successfully. You can see the results in Excel file, which is interesting. Okay, so that is how the flow of the exam is. So and then see it everything working as expected. So now the other one, okay, it is based is technical response. If the student have any challenge, any difficulties, technical can respond during the exam. Which that means there will be a response from the student before they can be attended to. Another response, that's why it's even if student make any attempts to report whatever any issue or challenges facing the exam, you can receive it here and it can be attended to. So that is what this one meant for. So I think this is what we have now. This is what we have now concerning the proctoring, concerning the computer-based examination system. Thank you, and I appreciate the efforts. God bless you all. Okay, so let me stop it.